Welcome back, guys. I'm Taylor Loehr, and what I'm going to do today is finish the cap on this core block. What I did first was machine a test strip all the way around the block to plus 5 thousandths. And the reason for that is because I want to test the blend to make sure that when I finish it to 0, it's blending perfectly. After machining the test strip, I used my step mic to measure the step all the way around and right at the seam line. In this case, the step was an even 5 thou, just like I programmed. Now if it was not even, I would have to make shifts in my X and Y pickup so that it brings it back to center. Like I've said before, we finished the lower part of this core first, and then we took the block off of the machine, bolted the cap on, and now I'm finishing the whole thing as an assembly. And the process of taking the block off of the machine and putting it back on, sometimes it doesn't repeat perfectly. And that's why I'm testing to make sure it's not shifted. Some people may say, oh hey, that's a little bit overkill, it should be perfect. But no, it's not perfect. It's never perfect. I'm not gonna go ahead and finish the whole thing without checking it because that's willy-nilly. And we don't do willy-nilly around here. No willy-nilly. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is gonna come out really nice. Let's set up the GoPro. Let's see. Let's put it on that side. All right, we're ready to go. So the battery's definitely gonna run out before the toolpath finishes, so I'll just put it up there and get as much as I can. All right, this is the hard part. I think it's good. All right, let's go, Ren. All right, we're live. We are live, let's do it. All right, to finish this, I chose to use a 5-axis Z-level toolpath with a 3/4 inch die-jet mirror ball. I programmed this with a 12 thou step down at 120 inches per minute, and I made sure that rigid guiding is selected so that it holds my tilt angle at 25 degrees consistently as it goes around the entire part.